From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Have a great day. We've been talking about this cold front all week long. Cold front swinging its way on through. The rain showers come to an end. The wind picks up and the temperatures begin to drop. Let's talk details. Yesterday, we made it into the 50s and 60s, above average weather on our Wednesday. We picked up 21/100ths of an inch of rain just before midnight in the Cumberland County and Crossville area. Showers continue to swing their way on through. Heaviest rain up to our north. And a little bit of snow across the Ohio Valley up into Pennsylvania and Kentucky if you have travel plans up into Virginia, but not a major player to really hamper any sort of afternoon travel plans. So that's good news to pass along. But grab the winter coats because the colder air is going to come swinging on through. We've picked up anywhere from about a half an inch, quarter, to upwards of about a tenth of an inch of rain. So we've seen some decent rain, which is much needed. And we start the morning off with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. This is the warmest part of our day. We'll stay pretty steady all the way through noon, and then as we get into the afternoon, here comes that colder air. Temperatures start to fall. So if you're going to be out and about through the 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock hour tonight, grab the winter coats because it's going to be cold, and you're going to notice that cold air coming on through. The winds are going to be gusting, sustained anywhere from 10 to 15, gusting to about 20, 25 miles per hour. We've seen some higher wind gusts across the mountains, but it's not going to be super windy all day long. The air starts to dry out throughout the day today. Dew points start off in the upper 40s, but drop into the mid-30s as we get into the evening hours. That's going to clear the skies, and that's going to leave us with some very dry air through the weekend and the start of next week. Now, when we talk rain chances, minimal at best. That 40% is first thing this morning, and then we pretty much dry out. Now, could we see some drizzle and mist throughout the morning hours? Yes. But most of the rain's coming to an end. A couple little waves headed our way may produce a little bit of light mountain snow showers, but again, not expecting a whole lot of activity. Actually, when you look at your snowfall forecast, most of the snow is going to be across the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, with a little bit of light snow Saturday night into Sunday morning across the highest peaks of the Smokies. And we could see a couple of flurries or a little bit of frozen precipitation across the mountains by about 7, 8 o'clock here tonight. High temperatures, average high 56. We're going to be trending well below average. We're going to be in the 30s, 40s for the next 5 to 7 days. So below average weather on the way. For high temperatures, low temperatures, brutally cold. This Arctic-like air mass puts our low temperatures in the 20s, pretty much, for the next 7 days. So make sure you stay on top of the latest weather forecast every single day. You can do so easily with the East Tennessee Weather app. Just download it today. Go to the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. I have links at the top of the website as well. It's everything you need to know for weather right here in East Tennessee. Clean, simple, easy, efficient, and free. We sure hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Your next weather update's coming up at noon today.